Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Ninja's YouTube channel. This is Tripti, and in this video I'll be talking about how to get from zero coding skills to a point where you are ready for a company, where you're ready for a product-based company. So yeah, let's start step by step, or we'll discuss everything in the form of pointers. So starting off, to get your coding skills done, you first need to know the basics. But to know the basics, first you need to pick up programming language. It can be anything. It can be C++, it can be Java, it can be Python, anything that you're comfortable with. Like, language is not an issue. Whichever language you feel like you want to try, you want to go with, you can just go with it. So pick a programming language and learn all the basics. So all the basics include like all the data types, the variables, the conditional statements, loops, and the simple problems which uses for loops, the simple pattern problems, and things like that. So make sure you're thorough with all these things. So this is like the very first step that you should take. Now, second thing that you should do is prepare a flow, prepare a roadmap for yourself, that how you're going to proceed with the complete data structures and algorithms. So like in this scenario, you can do two things. Either you can use free resources, and from those free resources you can divide like which portion will you study from where and something like that. You need to prepare that whole complete flow, complete roadmap beforehand. Or if you're not very good at it, you can go with a course. So any courses that are available to you that you feel like are right for you, you can go with it. I personally took the Coding Ninja's DSA course in C++, which helped me a lot. So it's your choice. If you want to go with that one, you can go with it. That will help you basically do each and every data structure algorithm properly, step by step. So this is for the second point. So for the third point, it's like learn DSA gradually. Do things one by one. Don't run behind anything. Pick the simplest or the basic data structure first, that is arrays. Start with arrays, then go to linked list, then study trees, binary trees, stacking queues, binary search tree, priority queues, hash maps. So like go with everything, sorting and searching, and everything like different algorithms which are important, like two-pointer algorithms. So basically go on to each and every data structure and algorithm step by step, one by one. Don't stick on to one data structure for long, and don't skip any data structure. It's important for you. Lastly, or you can say there are two more points: practice as much as you can and give contests. So contests, you might think if someone's not into CP, if someone doesn't do competitive programming, still I'll suggest give contests wherever you can or however much you can, because giving contests help you practice problems or solve problems in that timer which goes over your head. It kind of prepares you for the OAs or online assessments that happens. And lastly, don't forget your core subjects, your DBMS, that is database management system, OS operating system, computer networks, OOPS, that is object oriented programming. So these subjects at times you don't take care of, but these are like very crucial. They come in your OAs as well, and they are like an integral part of your interviews as well. And if you have time, please get your hands on Aptitude, practice some questions, and if you can go for mock interviews, do these things. So these are the all things that will be very much required for you to crack coding interviews or get your coding skills up to that notch. So I really hope that I helped through this video. If you liked it, please like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to Coding Ninja's YouTube channel if you haven't done so far. That's it from my side, and have a nice day, everyone.
Hi there. We hope you liked our video and found it useful. We would also like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in the test, you can avail up to 100% scholarship on any course in Coding Ninjas, may it be TSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, data science, or any other course. So click in the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test. Happy learning, guys. Thank you so much.